Possible finance. Possible finance. Financial fairness is possible. Access money with ease, improve financial health, and reclaim what's yours. You can download Possible Finance on the App Store or Google Play Store. We all know that there are current issues in the financial system, and many people can't access the money that they need. And so then comes along Possible Finance. We fight for financial fairness. Access fast and affordable money. Borrow up to $500 even with bad credit. We won't check your FICO score because you're more than a number. You can apply, be approved, and receive funds within minutes. You can build your credit history so you can obtain better financial tools. We report installment payments to major credit bureaus so you're rewarded for reliably paying on time. Fight costly fees, prevent overdrafts, and automatically recoup your hard-earned money. Banks drain your account when you can least afford it. We're here to fight on your behalf. Recently, I received an email from Possible Finance. Now, I had tried to apply for Possible Finance before, but they did not serve Louisiana. So recently, they started serving Louisiana, and I'm happy for that. And so when I saw that they did, I took the opportunity and I tried them out. So let's see what Possible Finance is truly all about. Okay, it says fast and affordable payday loan alternative. You can borrow up to $500 in minutes, even with bad credit. You can repay over time and build credit history. Probably at the end, I'm going to leave my link below so that you can apply for Possible Finance. Financial fairness is possible. That's what they say, but let's see. It says you can get cash in minutes. Bad credit or no credit is okay. Build credit history. Everything I'm looking for, and I'm more interested now. So in this comparison, they compare Possible to payday loan, the bank overdraft fees, and the payday advance apps. Interesting. I've reviewed payday advance apps and I've used several payday advance apps, so that's also important. And I've also did payday loans. So let's see. Possible. There's money available in minutes across the board. You can pay back over multiple months. Only Possible. Builds credit history. Only Possible. You can apply on your phone. Well, yeah, the payday advance apps. And some payday loans you can apply on the phone. Yeah, you can pretty much apply on the phone. Possible. You can do it on an app with Possible. With the credit reporting, they report the status of all loans at the beginning of each month for the previous month. And also, Possible Finance gives customers a 29-day grace period to update their payment dates. First, you download the Possible Finance app, link your account with Plaid, link your bank account, borrow up to $350 even with bad credit, repay over time and build credit history, track and fight unfair fees. Please connect the account to which you receive regular income. So you click link my bank account. Next, it says apply for a loan now, borrow money even with bad credit, repay over time and build credit history. All you need is a valid ID and your social security number. Apply now. The Possible app also offers the fee monitor, and then they're going to ask you how much would you like to borrow. So when you first start, you're probably going to have a limited amount you can borrow. They show you how much you can borrow based on an 8-week loan, how much you're going to have to pay back, and how much the payments are going to be. It's probably bi-weekly, 4 payments of that number at the bottom. So they're going to show you the amount borrowed, the total fees, the total amount paid, and an approximate APR. So those are the numbers. But what you don't realize, the truth and reality is that you're given a 29-day grace period, which allows you more time to pay back the item, get the money now, and then have more time to pay it back. Possible Finance is giving you the opportunity to get the money now, and they're making it possible for you to pay in a proper amount of time so that it won't be as stressful as a payday loan. So it's a payday loan alternative, and it allows you more time to pay back, and it can get you the money today. And that's why I like Possible Finance. You choose the amount you need or want. They show you the fee details. Next, you're going to be asked to take a selfie. You'll need your social security number and you'll need photo ID, such as driver license, state ID. And then you go through that process. Then once you finish that process and finish applying, they're going to let you know if you're approved. It's going to say your application has been approved. You may be eligible for a larger amount with positive repayment history. So that's important to have positive repayment history. Just pay the loan back and you may be eligible for larger amounts. So it says review your payment schedule. Don't worry, we'll remind you about your payments before they are automatically withdrawn on a due date. If you need more time, they allow you more time to pay. Repayment flexibility. We offer a 29-day grace period via the app. How soon do you need your money? Right now, you can receive the money instantly to a debit card, free for a limited time, or you can receive it in 1 to 2 business days. Receive money in your linked account via direct deposit, free. And so you can choose now or to get it later, and they're both free right now currently, but the other item may change over time. The right now it might change over time. Enter your debit card information. If you want to get your money right now, you simply enter the debit card information. So how will the payments be withdrawn? Your payments are automatically scheduled to be withdrawn on their due date. If you need more time, we offer a flexible 29-day grace period for each payment. You can update your payment dates in the app once you accept your loan. One business day before the payment due, you could go through the process. You accept the agreements, acknowledge and continue. Acknowledge. There's also the extended payment plan. If you cannot pay, accept. So slide to accept your loan. And that's pretty much it. So try Possible Finance. The possibilities. Sometimes life can be difficult, but with Possible Finance, you're given a chance to get a loan right now and just simply pay it back over time. Pay it back in a reasonable amount of time. And this is a payment that I received from Possible Finance, $350. When you go back and check on the app, you can see if your loan has been deposited. You can see the payment dates, and also you can update your payment dates. So let's try to update the payment dates. Let's see. We know life happens. That's why we offer a grace period at no additional cost should you need repayment flexibility. So let's check it out. For each payment, they give a certain amount of days that you can choose. And so basically, we must try to push the payments back one payday later to make it easier for us. But I like that they give you the opportunity to make the adjustments, but also be careful, because it might affect the next time you get a loan. If you want to get a bigger loan, if you keep pushing it back too far, the payment dates, they might not give you more money next time. Be cautious of that part. Just push it back a little bit. That way you have a window to pay it, and there you go. And as you're paying it, if you decide that you want to pay the balance now, once you just start chopping away at the payments, you can click pay the balance now. And it's always good to pay off as early as you can, when you can. So if you get some extra funds, just try to pay it off early. You might receive more money. I know that once the payment clears, you should be eligible to reapply for another loan. And so that's Possible Finance. I'm going to add it to my list of loans to get. I'm happy that they offer this loan currently in my state and wherever else they offer it. And so try Possible Finance. I wish you the best. Hope that everything is okay. Hope anything is possible if you set your mind to it. And with Possible Finance, I can pay off debt. And they said that was impossible, but they didn't realize that I had Possible Finance.